Hello, I am Pooja and you're watching Pilates with Pooja. Welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, what's up? I hope you are enjoying my videos, and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're not new here, if you're here from the beginning, thank you for your support. I highly appreciate it. And today we're going to talk about Pilates. It's gonna be all about Pilates. And towards the end of the video, I have a special announcement, so make sure you stay with me throughout the video. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so to begin with, what is Pilates? Pilates is a functional form of exercise that targets at your spinal stability. It helps you to improve a better core strength, to improve your posture, to improve your bodily strength, your bodily tone, and your mobility. And who can do Pilates? Anyone can do Pilates. A little kid, a middle-aged adult, an elderly person. So all the videos on my YouTube channel are fit to be done by any little child or a middle-aged adult. And I have a special video just for elderly population, which I will link in the eye, so make sure you check that out if you're interested in that. Now, getting to the history and origin of Pilates, it's interesting to know where a particular form of exercise comes from. That way we know more about it. So Joseph Pilates is the founder of Pilates, and he came up with the form of exercise back in World War I, when he was asked to come up with a form of physical activity for the people who were bedridden in the hospitals during World War I. And he was extremely intelligent, and he came up with a way to add resistance to their beds, and that worked really well, and it has turned into this big form of exercise that is done throughout the world. Also, his beginning students were from the Hollywood. A lot of actors and actresses and dancers, especially ballerinas, from Hollywood, because his class was located in the Hollywood area. So that's a little bit about the history and origin. Now, presently, contemporary Pilates looks a bit like it includes Barre Pilates. So Barre Pilates is influenced by ballerinas, and if you see anyone doing Barre Pilates workout, they basically look like ballerinas who are working out. So that's how we know that Pilates was in the beginning influenced by ballet. Other than that, Pilates is done all over the world. There are millions of studios that carry out Pilates. There are also individual people who give out classes from the comfort of their homes, and I'm also soon gonna be taking classes because I'm getting training into becoming a Pilates teacher. So yeah, and yeah, that's a little bit about contemporary Pilates. Now getting into the 6 principles of Pilates as given by Joseph Pilates. So Joseph Pilates actually called Pilates as contrology, and his 6 principles are centering, concentration, control, precision, breath, and flow. Right? So just by listening to these 6 principles, you will know that this form of exercise is quite a disciplined form of exercise. So when we talk about concentration, oh, the rain's increasing. Okay, I hope you all don't hear that. Anyways, when we talk about concentration, concentration is about concentrating on the form that you are maintaining while exercising, on the muscles that you are working, and yeah, that's concentration. Coming to control. Control is all about having your body in control and making movements that are in control, guided rather than haphazard. Right? That's control. Now coming to centering. Centering basically talks about you working towards the center of your body, which is your core, which is the center of gravity of your body, and basically engaging your core while working out. That's about centering. Precision is all about having your alignment in having your alignment right. And I have made a video about alignment, and I'll link that in this eye, so you can check that out. So having your alignment right, that's about precision. And coming to breath, it's extremely important to breathe during exercising, because that way you are sending the oxygen towards the muscles that you are working. For example, you're doing bicep curls, you're sending the oxygen towards your biceps to make the exercise more efficient, right? That's about breath. And then coming to finally flow. So we talk about flow because it's necessary to understand that Pilates is a exercise that flows rather than having movements that are done in isolation, right? It flows like a dance movement. So yeah, those are the 6 principles of Pilates as given by Joseph Pilates. Alright, now I'll talk a little bit about the varied range of motion in Pilates. So just like any other exercise, even in Pilates there are different levels of difficulty. I have majorly covered the basic level, where it's called as mat Pilates. Then there is intermediate level of Pilates, which is a mixture of advanced and basic level Pilates. And the advanced level Pilates comprises of your exercises that are done on the professional equipment, the sophisticated equipment of Pilates, such as the reformer, right? So yeah, that's about the varied range of motion in Pilates. Now just to summarize the video, why should you do Pilates? I think that if you're someone who is looking to improve your posture, who is looking to improve your spinal stability, reduce your lower back pain by working on the core, or someone who wants to improve their bodily tone or their bodily strength and mobility, then you should do Pilates, right? So now finally coming to the special announcement I have. So I have decided to do a Zoom session. It'll be a free Zoom session, and I will be doing it in 2 parts. The first part will be a workout, and the second part will be a question and answer sort of a thing, where I will address all the doubts that I have come across regarding diet, workouts, lifestyle. And if you have any specific questions that you want me to address, that you want me to answer, then you can always connect with me on my Instagram handle at Pilates with Pooja, and also at Pooja Sana Koi Dooja. I'll link that in the description. I'll also leave the link for the Zoom session in the description. So if you are interested and if you want to join this mind-blowing workout session with me, then do click on that link. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the Zoom session. Alright, so that's it for today. Bye bye, take care.